Alright, this is Sunday, July 5th, 2026. We had a little storm run through last night. Actually, a big storm. We're in southeastern Pennsylvania. There knocked a couple of lilac bushes down. Poured stems of it already. Anyway. And we had some big tree stuff come down back here. Got a big hunk of walnut come out of the top of the walnut tree. Brought some dead stuff down out of the other tree there. Pretty big limb here. And then it also apparently hit some of these limbs off this maple tree here on the way down. Brought a couple of them down. You can see here. Smaller ones, but that one's a pretty big one right there. So we got a bit of a mess to clean up here, but that's okay. It's just part of having a home. Stuff you gotta do. Trees come down or something happens to your house, or painting, whatever. It's just part of maintenance, I guess, really is what you'd say. So there you have it. It's a pretty big tree limb come down. Alright, that's it for today. God bless. Take care.